Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So we have been discussing about chapter 9 playing with numbers. So next exercise 9b, fill in the blanks. On dividing 9 by 7, quotient equal to and remainder equal to. So you have to find the quotient and remainder on dividing 9 by 7. So you can just divide 9 by 7, you will get the quotient 1, okay, and the remainder you will get a 2. Next, on dividing 18 by 6, quotient equal to, you will get 3 and remainder equal to 0 you will get, okay. Third one, factor of a number is exact divisor of that number. Here exact divisor of that number, okay. Next, fourth one, every number is a factor of itself. Every number is a factor of itself. Fifth one, every number is a multiple of itself. Dash is a factor of every number. 1 is a factor of every number. For every number, its factors are finite and its multiples are infinite. Eighth one, x is a factor of y, then y is a multiple of x. Okay, if 5 is a factor of 15 means 15 is a multiple of 5 we can say. Okay. Second question, write all the factors of first one 16. So you have to write the factors of 16. So you know 1 into 16 equal to 16. 2 into 8 equal to 16. Then 4 into 4 equal to 16. So the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. You can write in ascending order. So 1, 2, 4, then 8, 16. These are the factors of 16. Next, second one, 21. So you know 1 into 21 equal to 21. Then 3 into 7 equal to 21. This much only we can find. So the factors of 21 are 1, 3, 7 and 21. You can write 1, 3, 7, 21. Okay. Next, third one, 39. So 1 into 39 equal to 39. Then 3 into 13 equal to 39. This much only. So the factors of 39 are 1, 3, 13, 39. Okay. 1, 3, 13, 39. Next, fourth one, 48. So 1 into 48 equal to 48. 2 into 24 equal to 48. 3 into 16 equal to 48. 4 into 12 you will get 48. 6 into 8 equal to 48. This much only. So the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24, 48. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, then 8, 12, 16, 24. 16, 24 and 48. Okay. So do the fifth and sixth as homework. Third question, write the first 6 multiples of first one 4. So 6 multiples means that is simple. You just multiply this number by natural numbers. So 4 into 1, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 4, 16. 4 into 4, 5, 20. 4 into 6, 24. You need 6 multiples. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 are 6 multiples of first 6 multiples of 4. Okay. Next 9. So 9 into 1 9. 9 into 2 18. 9 into 3 27. 9 into 4 36. 9 into 5 45. And 9 into 6 54. This much only you need to write. Okay. Next, third one, 11. So 11 into 1, 11. 11 into 2, 22. 11 into 3, 33. 11 into 4, 44. 11 into 5, 55. And 11 into 6, 66. So these are the first 6 multiples of 11. Do the 4th, 5th and 6th as homework. 5th question. The product of two numbers is 48 and their sum is 16. Find the numbers. So here two numbers you need to find whose product. Okay, when multiplying that two numbers you will get a 48 and on adding that two numbers you will get a 16. So in order to find this you can write the factors. How 48 can be obtained by multiplying two numbers. So you know 1 into 48 it is 48. 2 into 24 it is 48. 3 into 16 you will get 48. 4 into 12 equal to 48. Then 6 into 8 equal to 48. Okay. So we can find pairs of numbers whose product is 48. That is 1 and 48. 1 into 48 equal to 48 you will get. So one pair it is 1 and 48. Then 2 and 24, 3, 16, 4, 12, 6, 8. These are the pairs of numbers whose product is 48. But we need to find here whose sum is 16. The product of two numbers should be 48 and sum is 16. That two numbers we need to find. So we can see 1 plus 48 you will get 49. 2 plus 24 it is 26. 3 plus 16 it is 9. But 4 plus 12 you will get 16. So this is the required pair. 6 plus 8 it is 40. Okay, so 4 and 12 are the two numbers whose product is 48 and sum is 16. So this is the answer. Now 6th one, write two numbers which differ by 3 and whose product is 54. So here difference. That two numbers on subtracting you will get a 3 and on multiplying you will get 54. So in order to find the two numbers, you can write the factors of 54. That is pair. Which two numbers on multiplying you will get 54. Okay, that you can find first. So 1 into 54 you will get 54. 2 into 27 you will get 54. Now 3 into 8th question. Without making any actual division, show that 23 lakh 23 is divisible by 23. So you need to prove that 23 lakh 23 is divisible by 23. That is 23 can divide this number. That is 23 lakh 23. Okay, so 23 lakh 23. You can split this number as 23 lakh plus 23. Okay, on adding 23 lakh plus 23 you will get 23 lakh 23 only. Now this 23 lakh you can write it as 23 into 1 lakh. Okay, 23 into 1 lakh you will get 23 lakh plus 23. You can write it as 23 into 1. Okay, so 23 into 1 lakh plus 23 into 1. We can apply distributive property here. 23 you can take a common outside. Inside bracket it is 1 lakh plus here 23 if we take common outside. Inside bracket it will be 1. Okay, so 23 into 1 lakh plus 1 you got. So 23 into 1 lakh plus 1 it is 1 lakh 1. Okay, so 23 lakh 23 you can write it as 23 into 1 lakh 1. This means 23 lakh 23 is divisible by 23. Okay, you can write this number as product of 23 and another number. So we can say that 23 lakh 23 is divisible by 23. Okay. Ninth question. Without making any actual division, show that each of the following numbers is divisible by 11. So, you have to show that these numbers are divisible by 11. So, first question, 11,011. 11,011. You can split this number as 11,000 plus 11. Okay. Now this 11,000 you can write it as 11 into 1000 plus 11 you can write it as 11 into 1. Now applying distributive property, you can take 11 from these two products. You can take 11 common outside. So 11 into inside bracket here. First it will be 1000 plus now here 1. Okay. So 11 into 1000 plus 1 it is 1001. So 11,011 you can write it as 11 into 1001. That is 11 into product of 11 and one number. This means 11,011 is divisible by 11. Okay. Third one, 1 crore 10 lakh 11. Okay. So 1 crore 10 lakh 11 you can split as 1 crore 10 lakh plus 11. Okay, you can split 1 crore 10 lakh 11 as 1 crore 10 lakh plus 11. Okay, now 1 crore 10 lakh, it is 11 into 1 lakh. 11 into 1 lakh, it is 1 crore 10 lakh plus 11, you can split as 11 into 1. Now using distributive property, you can take 11 common outside. Now inside bracket, first you can write 1 lakh plus now 11 into 1. From this 11 you take common outside. So inside bracket you can write 1. Okay. So you will get 11 into 1 lakh plus 1. It is 1 lakh 1. You got 1 crore 10 lakh 11 as the product of 11 and one number. That means 1 crore 10 lakh 11 is divisible by 11. Okay. 10th one. Without actual division, show that each of the following numbers is divisible by 8. First one, 1608. Okay. So 1608 you can split as 1600 plus 8. Okay. Now, you know 1600, this is divisible by 8. On dividing 1600 by 8, you will get 200. Okay, so you can write 1600 as 8 into 200 plus this 8. You can write as 8 into 1. Okay, from this, you can take 8 common outside. So, 8 into inside bracket, first you can write 200, then plus 1. So 8 into 200, 1 you got. 1608 you can write as, you got it 8 into 200, 1. That means 8 into product of 8 and one number you got 1608. This means 1608 is divisible by 8. Okay. Second one, 56,008. So 56,008 you can split as 56,000 plus 8. Now this 56,000 on dividing by 8, you will get 56,000 by 8. 8 into 7, 56. You will get 7,000. Okay, so 56,000 you can write as 8 into 7,000 plus 8 you can write as 8 into 1. So from these two you can take 8 common outside. So inside bracket it is 7,000 plus 1. Okay. So you got 8 into 7,000 plus 1, it is 7,001. Okay. 8 into 7,001. So 56,008. You got it as the product of 8 and one number. That means 56,008 is divisible by 8. Okay. So ninth question second one and 10th question third one do as homework. So this much for this class. Thank you.